Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 13th of October 2024. I'll be going over week 40's results for the predictions based on option chain analysis. This is for the week ending on the 11th of October 2024. The S&P 500 was predicted to go up. That was the case. It opened at 5,737.8 and closed at 5,815.04, which is a 77.24 point increase, or a 1.35% profit for us. Cumulative P&L of the S&P 500 at this point was 10.19%. Our cumulative P&L was 10.19%. The S&P 500's weekly change was 1.11%, and therefore the cumulative return of the S&P 500 was 9.71% during the time period of my predictions, and the alpha we made is plus 0.48%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.